One. Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 11th May. So we are having two important highlights. First is that yesterday's deep depression intensified into a second storm that is called Mokha. Today at 05:30 hours IST in morning, and heat wave conditions has been developed over parts of Gangetic West Bengal, surveillance West Bengal, Bihar, Saurashtra, Kutch, etc. So these are the two highlights. Let us start with the presentation. So accordingly, we have mentioned here two highlights that we have discussed. That yesterday depression we are now having as a cyclone storm Mokha over southeast Bengal, and heat wave conditions likely over West Bengal, Bihar, Gujarat and Maharashtra, especially Konkan and northern Maharashtra during next 2 days. So this is the current status forecast, and accordingly track is given here for the cyclone storm Mokha. You can see that after intensifying into a cyclone storm at 05:30 hours IST, and we see the present location at 0830 hours IST. It is roughly 11.4 degree north and longitude 88 degree east, about 510 kilometer west southwest of Port Blair. And if we see the forecast, it is likely to move north-northwestwards and gradually intensify into a severe cyclone storm around night of today, and thereafter it is likely to recur gradually and move north-northeastwards from 12th May morning and intensify further into a very severe cyclone storm around 12th May evening over central Bengal. It would reach its peak intensity around 13th May evening. It is likely to cross southeast Bangladesh and North Myanmar coast between Cox's Bazar in Bangladesh and Kyapkyu in Myanmar close to Sittwe around noon of 14th May with maximum sustained wind speed of 140-150 kmph gusting to 165 kmph. Accordingly, the track is given here. You can see the track, and this track is available on our website RSMC and also mausam.imd.gov.in in the form of bulletin and press releases. You can also follow up with the Facebook, Twitter of IMD. So this is the status and the forecast of cyclone storm Mokha. Now you can see the associated warnings related to the system. So first warning is I mentioned here sea condition. So during this period, sea condition is given in different scales of Andaman Sea, Southeast Bay of Bengal, Central Bay of Bengal, Northeast Bay of Bengal, and accordingly rainfall is also given. If we see the sea condition over Andaman Sea will be very rough over Andaman Sea on 11th May and very rough to rough over North Andaman Sea during 12th and 13th May. Over Southeast Bay of Bengal, it is very rough to high to prevail till 11th May, that is today, and high to very high on 12th May, very rough to rough on 13th May. Over East Central Bay of Bengal, it is high sea condition is prevailing and likely to become very high from 11th today midnight and phenomenal from 12th May to 14th May morning. It will improve thereafter. Adjoining areas of West Central Bay of Bengal, where very rough to high sea condition is prevailing and likely to become very high from 11th midnight and phenomenal from 12th May morning to 13th May morning, it will gradually improve thereafter. If we see the sea condition over northeast Bay of Bengal, it is rough to very rough on 12th May, phenomenal during 13th and 14th May. Adjoining areas of northwest Bengal likely to experience rough to very rough conditions, sea conditions during 13th and 14th May. So these are the sea conditions. And if we see the rainfall warning, rainfall associated with the system is mainly issued for Andaman Nicobar Islands and Tripura, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur and South Assam or Northeast India. If we see the rainfall warning, so it is likely to experience heavy rainfall today over Andaman Nicobar Islands, and tomorrow heavy to very heavy, and thereafter on 13th and 14th heavy rainfall over Andaman Nicobar Islands. If we see the Tripura and Mizoram, so it is mainly heavy rainfall likely to experience on 13th May and then heavy to very heavy on 14th May over this region, that is Tripura and Mizoram. And we see the heavy rainfall warning for Nagaland, Manipur and South Assam. It is likely to experience heavy rainfall on 14th of May in association with the cyclone storm Mokha. And if we see the fisherman warning, let us directly go to the fisherman warning graphics. You can see the areas of fisherman warning where fisherman warning has been issued for different scales according regions has been given. You can see that mainly today the southeast Bengal and Andaman Sea adjoining areas of West Central east central, southwest and southeast Bay of Bengal areas has been issued. And for tomorrow, this 13th, it is issued for overall same location. And on 14th, it is also issued for the southeast Bay of Bengal, central Bay of Bengal, adjoining area of northwest and northeast Bay of Bengal. And on 15th and 14th to 15th morning, it is issued for this region, especially over east central Bay of Bengal, northwest Bay of Bengal and northeast Bay of Bengal, and along the coast of Myanmar and this Bangladesh coast. So this is the fisherman warning. And from 16th, in fact, after 15th, there is no warning for fishermen. And these graphics also available at our website, our SMC website. You can see our Facebook and Twitter pages also. Now let us see the advisories. So accordingly, fishermen warnings, ship warning, boats and travelers warnings has been issued, and they are expected and they are suggested not to venture into southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea till 11th May, central Bay of Bengal and north Andaman Sea till 14th May, and into northeast Bay of Bengal and during this 12th to 14th May. But we have mentioned here in diagram figures, that is has been written here. Now those who are in central Bay of Bengal and north Andaman Sea are advised to return to coast as early as possible. And this is damage expected in association with the heavy rainfall and wind warnings for northeastern states like Mizoram, Tripura and South Manipur. So minor damage to loose and unsecured structure is expected. Some breaches in Kacha Road due to the heavy rainfall with the possibility of landslides in vulnerable areas. Uprooting of small trees and breaking of tree branches, damage to small trees like banana, tree stick and papayas, etc. Damage to standing crops. So accordingly, actions are suggested that immediately harvest mature fruits and crops, provide staking and cover to vegetables and these fruits orchards, and avoid application of fertilizers and pesticides. Keep livestock inside sheds. And damage expected and action suggested: marine community, that is shipping, offshore industries, tourism, etc. over Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Because of different sea conditions, wind warnings, very rough to phenomenal sea could affect marine operations and offshore activities. Regulation of tourism and offshore activities and shipping near Andaman Nicobar Islands till 13th of May. And regulation of shipping activity over the sea range of Southeast Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea till 12th May, East Central Bay of Bengal till 14th May, and West Central Bay of Bengal till 13th of May. And regulation of shipping activity over the sea range of Northeast Bay of Bengal during 12th to 14th of May. So this is all about the warnings associated with the cyclone Mr. Mokha. Now let us look at yesterday's heavy rainfall realization. So yesterday heavy rainfall has been realized in association with the deep depression and cyclone Mr. Mokha over mainly Nicobar region, that is Nicobar Islands. Otherwise, light to moderate rainfall has been observed over South New Zealand, especially 6 cm in Tamil Nadu, 5 cm in Kerala, and 2-3 cm in Karnataka regions. So this is the realized heavy rainfall, and if we see maximum temperature scenario, it is in the order of 40 to 40 degrees Celsius, 44 degrees Celsius over Saurashtra, Kutch and Gujarat and southwest Rajasthan area, East MP and Bihar, Gangetic West Bengal and Southern West Bengal regions. And otherwise below 40 degrees Celsius is being recorded over rest parts of the country, and they are above normal over eastern parts of Bihar, West Bengal, Gujarat region, and these some regions of North Maharashtra, they are above normal by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. Accordingly, heat wave conditions are prevailing over these regions. We will discuss later. So now let us look at remaining synoptic system. So we are having one cyclone circulation of Jharkhand and a phase western disturbance today over Iran region, and there is a trough runs from cyclone Mokha to north Tamil Nadu and south Andhra Pradesh, tilting southwest with height. So under the influence of these synoptic systems, you can see that heat wave conditions likely to prevail over West Bengal, Bihar, Saurashtra, Kutch, Konkan and North Maharashtra today, and tomorrow heat wave conditions likely to continue over these regions. So overall we can see that during next 2 days heat wave conditions likely to prevail in these regions. In addition to coastal Andhra Pradesh, we will discuss later. However, if we see the other warnings, you can see that thunderstorm activity likely to experience along the west coast and south central India, including Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and this Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And if we see the thunderstorm activity for rest parts of the country, you can see that there is a likely experience over Odisha, native West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam and Meghalaya. And accordingly, orange color is given to native West Bengal and Saurashtra due to the heat wave conditions. And thunderstorm also likely to experience over Andaman Islands today. And heavy rainfall already I mentioned that this is likely to experience over Andaman Islands today. If we see the map of tomorrow, heavy wave conditions likely to continue over these regions. In addition to this, western parts of Rajasthan likely to experience heat wave conditions. Otherwise, these heat wave conditions scenario likely to continue on 12th as well. If we see the heavy to very heavy rainfall warning, it is issued for Andaman Islands, and no other heavy is given on 12th of May. If we see the map of 13th May, it is shown here that the storm likely, that is the storm activity likely to experience over Haryana on 13th of May, and under the influence of this western disturbance, this western region likely to experience thunderstorm activity over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh region. And in relation to this, heat wave condition likely to continue over western parts of Rajasthan and southern West Bengal. And heat wave condition likely to develop on 13th over coastal Andhra Pradesh, and heavy rainfall over Andaman Islands, and thunderstorm activity over Kerala and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. And if we see the warning map of 14th May, it is likely to continue the storm activity over Rajasthan region on 14th of May, and the thunderstorm activity likely to continue over western region, and northeast India likely to experience this especially heavy rainfall over Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and associated with the system. And the other regions also likely to experience like Assam and Arunachal Pradesh heavy rainfall, thunderstorm activity over native West Bengal, and heat wave likely to continue over coastal Andhra Pradesh, and heavy rainfall over Andaman Islands. If we see the map of 15th of May, same situation is there, except this heat wave conditions likely to continue over coastal Andhra Pradesh, and thunderstorm activity also likely to continue over western region, and storm also likely to continue over Rajasthan region on 15th of May, and thunderstorm activity over northeast and adjoining East India, and heavy rainfall over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Assam, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the warnings of next 5 days. You can stay connected with us. मौसम.in.in आज के लिए today's रिकॉर्ड में है यहाँ